We are very excited to announce some major improvements to our AI extraction process. From today onwards, you can drop any type of document into Pantera and it will extract out the relevant information to model. This can be from portfolio documents, both spreadsheets or PDF, deal memorandums, tenancy schedules, photographs of tenancy schedules, emails, anything you can think of can be dropped in and will be interpreted by our AI. Here's a quick example. We have here the Millennium portfolio. It advertises 6 different assets to be purchased in bulk, each with its own lease information, mapping, and all of the relevant details throughout. You can download this file. And on the right-hand side, the Pantera AI engine will then start to extract all of the relevant information out. Once processed, you can click into what has been extracted, and it brings up a preview of the PDF that's been dragged in on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, the reasoning and the transparency as to why it is classified as a portfolio investment type of deal. Side by side, you can compare the information from the brochure or tenancy schedule to the information extracted here on the right-hand side. Because this is a portfolio deal, you have the option of either creating this as one single model or creating 5 different models for this particular portfolio offering in one simple click. You can create a folder from here and give it a name, and it will go and create a portfolio transaction for you automatically. It takes you to our combined page where all of the plans are listed, and you can actually input your leasing and pricing assumptions from here. So it's automatically splitting the deal out into multiple assets after just dragging in one item. We've also expanded the functionality to development deals as well. Take this brochure, for example. It advertises some land that already has consent for multiple dwellings, and you can see the breakdown of that here. Again, you can drag and drop that into our platform, and on the right-hand side, it will start to process that information. I did this one earlier, so we can click into it. On the right-hand side, you have the reasoning as to why it believes there is a development potential, and you can create a development plan from here. This will pre-populate the proposed unit schedules with all the right NIAs and GIAs, and you can go and enter your ERVs and build costs directly from there. However, we realize that a lot of deals are sent off-market. You may get information in a format from an agent similar to this, where you've got headline details, potentially some asset management initiatives, current rents, and their pricing assumptions. You can download this email as a PDF or press the print screen button in the top right corner and drag that email into the platform. Again, our sidebar populates with the opportunity, and it changes the name of the deal automatically. Rather than just the file name, it will also transform that into what it believes to be the asset name. And you can see the classification happening here in real time as it understands what the deal is for, and you can click in and see the reasoning behind it. During the process, you will see the data be extracted, but you don't have to wait here for the process to finish. You can click away, carry on with other tasks, and you'll be notified when it's done. That's been processed now. We also show you how quick it's being done. It took 12 seconds to classify the type of deal, and another 43 seconds to go and extract out the pricing assumptions, the lease information, including breaks and reviews, ERVs, and then by simply pressing Model Now, we're taken into the flow of creating our underwrite. The improvements that we've made here are, one, boosting the transparency of how our AI works. You can always see the reasoning on the right-hand side, but you also have much improved extraction from any lease information that's contained in the documents. Details that are quite often contained in comments or notes, let's say service charge caps, whether there is rent-free after a break isn't taken by a tenant, are all being captured in our AI extraction now, ready for you to model, so it saves time from having to input that data manually.